wake up, the sun's shining bright. Rub the sleepy eyes, it's morning light. A stretch and a yawn, let's start the day. There's so much fun coming our way. Splish, splash in the bubbly bath. Rubber duckies making us laugh. Brush those teeth and comb that hair. Soon we'll be going everywhere. Breakfast time, yum yum yum. A bowl of oatmeal and juice so fun. Put on our uniform nice and neat. Little shoes on our tiny feet. The school bus honks, it's time to go. With a hop and a skip, we're in the row. Climb aboard, take our seat. The bus is rolling down the street. We're chatting, laughing, waving at the trees. Singing with the breeze, feeling so free. The bus stops gently, we hopped our care. The school's right there, the adventure is in the air. Into the classroom, find our chair. With books and colors, we're ready to share. Letters and numbers, oh what fun. Learning together one by one. Lunch break comes and we gather round. Sandwiches and snacks, what a sound. Then it's time to run and play. With friends in the sunshine all day. School bus arrives, it's time to go. Hop back on and row by row. We're waving goodbye, the day was sweet. Back to home, the circle's complete. Home again, and what a day. So much fun in every way. We'll dream tonight of all we've seen, and do it all tomorrow like a magical routine. Splish, splash in the bubbly bath. A rubber ducky still making us laugh. Close our eyes and drift to sleep. The baby's day was a journey deep.